Namaste. Right now, we are here in the Swami Malai temple. This temple is one of the main temples, one of the 6 main temples dedicated to Lord Muruga. This is the 4th temple in the case of 6 temples. This temple is very famous because of its history with the main idol Muruga. Here, Muruga is worshipped as Swaminathan because he taught a lesson for his father. He taught the meaning of the Pranava Mandiram Om to his father over here. The history goes back when Brahma was feeling very proud of himself and he was telling everyone that he knew everything in the whole world. Muruga knew this. He went to Lord Brahma and he asked him, "Tell me the meaning of the Pranava Mandiram Om." Brahma thought for a while and told that he did not know the meaning. So Muruga caged Brahma immediately. And Muruga took all the duties of Lord Brahma and he took the place of Lord Brahma. The whole heaven stood in shock. Shiva went to Muruga and asked him, "Son, why did you do this? Why did you cage Lord Brahma? And why did you take all his duties on yourself?" Muruga replied, he was feeling very proud of himself and he told he knew everything in the whole world, but he did not know the meaning of the Pranava Mandiram Om. Then Lord Shiva asked, "Son, do you know the meaning of the Pranava Mandiram Om?" Muruga said, "Yes, I do. But if you want me to tell you the meaning, you must sit in front of me as a student, as a scholar, and you should listen to me by giving me the respect as a guru." Shiva agreed. He sat below Lord Muruga. Lord Muruga sat above Lord Shiva and he taught him the meaning of the Pranava Mandiram Om. This is why people tell that Muruga was such a great person. He taught a lesson for his father, Lord Shiva. Such a great person sat below him and learned the meaning of the Pranava Mandiram Om. Here, that is why Lord Muruga is worshipped as Guru Swaminathan or Swaminathan. The Swami Malai is also known for his 60 steps over here, which we can see in the back. The 60 steps are known to be the 60 goddesses, and not only that, the 60 steps are also known as the 60 years of the Hindu calendar's Panchang. So here, as we can see the names of the 60 steps. And they have also done puja to all the 60 steps. So another speciality here in Swami Malai is that in the place of the Vahana, peacock, here in front of the main deity, we can see an elephant. This is because Lord Kartikeya had destroyed the demon Harikesan, and for doing that, Indra had gifted Lord Kartikeya an elephant called Airavadam, and that's why here we can see the elephant Airavadam